วัสดีค่ะ
Welcome back to another video, guys. Heading down Sukhumvit Road. Friday night, absolutely pumping. People everywhere. Thanks for joining me on this walk. Let's see where we go tonight. A little bit going on. About 10:30 at night. Just outside the Hyatt Regency. Thanks for all joining me anyway on this video. Hope you enjoy watching it. If you like what you see, please leave a like, big thumbs up button, leave a comment, and even a subscribe if you feel like it. This is what I do, mainly walking videos. Of Bangkok, all over Thailand. Pattaya, Phuket, Patong, all those types of areas. On the Pocket 3. Hopefully the picture quality is pretty good at night. Bit of a dark spot here though. Hopefully the camera can handle it. Just outside Margarita Storm here. Trying to cross over. Yes, we're over. Goodness. Come on. Let's get through. People everywhere. My goodness. Wow, I don't think I've seen this packed in a long time. Sorry guys, trying to get people's backs. Trying to sneak through, but it's bloody hard. Hotel. Lots of people hanging around here. Lots of people. Come on. Come on. Clear the way. Clear the way. Oh, he's in a hurry. Don't know why. Oh, he's lost his friends, has he? Okay, I saw that coming. Oh, that breeze is beautiful. What's this food doing? Man, it is hot. coming outside McDonald's now. Heading towards Terminal 21. As I've said in my previous videos, people, I do try to keep the camera as still as possible. It's just that the footpaths, mate, there are bumps and cracks and dips and stuff everywhere. So it is hard, but I am trying. Go easy on me. Go easy on me. Traffic jam yet again. Try and get through, try and get through. Yes. See if I can get a clear run through here. Yes, I can. What's going on here? What's with the sirens? The lights. Outside Asok BTS station. As I've said in my previous videos, guys, you should seriously always get the public transport system in Bangkok. It's absolutely brilliant. It's cheap as, air conditioned. Get to wherever you want to go in the shortest amount of time, or you have to get stuck in all this crap all day, every day, at every intersection. You get nowhere. And you'll probably get ripped off as well. Most likely. Get the BTS. Through there. Come on. Let's go. Alright, we're outside Terminal 21 now. We're going to end it just up here. Yes, parents make some money. Get the exhaust checked on that one. Motorbike, probably a Farang. Thinks he's McDoing. Oh, this dude on the violin again, he's really good, this dude. God. Alright, we've made it. We've made it outside the old CWBOY. Hope you've enjoyed. Catch us all next time for another walk with you. Thanks for watching, guys.